Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial on the release of SellerActive's Fulfillment Centers. We are excited to offer you a new experience that gives you the ability to add and manage fulfillment centers from a brand new page in your account settings. These fulfillment centers can be recognized as the existing SellerActive location, and they should be used more as a physical location as opposed to a warehouse, shelf, aisle, or bin. With this new functionality, we will be able to expand on our current FBA and deliver offerings in the future and provide much better reporting on a product-wide basis. In order to move in this direction, all products will now have a default fulfillment center. If your product did not have a location before, then a fulfillment center has been created for you under My Warehouse with your existing available quantity. If your product had an existing location prior to this release, a My Warehouse fulfillment center will be added with zero quantity, and your prior location will be the prioritized fulfillment center. After logging into SellerActive, navigate to the toolbar and select Settings and Fulfillment Centers. This screen will display your total inventory count between fulfillment centers, as well as a total inventory value and a pie chart that breaks down your inventory value by percentage. If you'd like to add a new fulfillment center, simply click Add and fill out the details for your warehouse or choose one of our fulfillment partners on the right. If you need to edit an existing center, click on the pencil icon next to the center of your choice and proceed to make any adjustments. After adding your fulfillment centers, our next improvement to this experience can be found in our Products workspace. Click on any one of your products to open the SKU pane and navigate to the Inventory tab. From here, you may enter in this product's cost, adjust condition, add a vendor, and most importantly, choose which fulfillment center inventory is prioritized for this product by dragging the fulfillment center up or down in your list. This is the first iteration of our fulfillment center release, which means there will be more to come. Should you have any questions about these updates, please contact our support team for more information.